My name is Monique Lewis with Next to Native Language Learning, and I thank you for taking a moment of your time to learn about the language learning program that is reshaping the way that we promote, protect, and retain our Spanish-speaking labor force. When we think about the construction industry as a whole, the phrases used, the vocabulary, it really is a language in and of itself. So we start there. We start with the key phrases and the vocabulary that our laborers are using every day and making sure those are understood in English. We next focus on conversational ability. Very different from an ESL class where you focus on vocabulary and grammar. We want to make sure that those things can translate into entering, sustaining, and exiting a conversation. These skills become paramount when we think about talking to English speakers on a job site, maybe a GC or a foreman, and also when we think about advocating for ourselves for promotion. Our next focus is pronunciation and listening skills. There is a reciprocal back and forth when we think about conversation. We have to make sure that we understand what's being said to us. That's our listening skills. And that we are understood when we speak. That is usually heavily focused on our pronunciation. Both are needed to make sure that we are able to communicate clearly and understand when someone is communicating with us. We spend quite a bit of time on this, making sure that our students feel not only confident in speaking, but can do so in a clear and concise manner. Finally, we take all of these factors and we put them into practice. Many of our learners outside of work are only speaking in Spanish. They don't have a place to practice and make sure that they're able to speak with confidence. All of our language trainers are bilingual and for that reason are able to fully understand every question that our learners have and fully explain every facet of English, which can be quite complicated. Our program is situated upon 3 pillars. The first is instruction focused on the construction industry, work function, and promotion. The second is daily unlimited practice in our language program. Learners will have access to this on any device that they choose, as long as there's an internet connection. The final is live conversation via group classes in Zoom. They are able to focus on real situations, be corrected in real time, and be able to, of course, improve their confidence and comfort in speaking in English. Language-based professional development is a strategic necessity. Improved communication has a direct impact on safety. This is, of course, of paramount concern on any site. And then there's the matter of enhanced productivity. This is a result of reduced errors and rework, often due to the language barrier. This directly impacts your bottom line. By fostering a culture of inclusivity, you boost employee morale and reduce employee turnover. This saves you time and resources in recruitment and retraining. A diverse workforce not only attracts new talent, but also enhances your company's reputation, making you more appealing to clients who value social responsibility. Ultimately, this kind of investment leads to increased productivity, better teamwork, and a competitive edge in a crowded market. Caring about these benefits means not just building structures, but also building a strong, resilient business that thrives on collaboration and innovation. Thank you so much again for taking the time to learn about our program. Please reach out with any questions.